Good evening. My name is Yolima Miranda. She is my sister. Her name is Giovanna Miranda. She is a teacher. She have two children. She is single woman. Thank you. She is 49 years old. She is Colombian. She lives in Barranquilla. Her hobbies are read a book and watch TV series. She have two pets, Aisha and Paris. Thank you. My sister lives with her children, Andrea and Sergio. Andrea is 28 years old. She is engineer. Sergio is 26 years old. He is economist. Good night.